Now I'm talking about genital herpes. Genital herpes is common sexually transmitted disease STD, and a lot of people who have it don't even know. A herpes virus that causes genital herpes, which is characterized by sores in the genital area. This virus, like herpes simplex virus 1, can also cause infection of the brain, encephalitis, if immune system is severely defective or compromised. The treatment of infection with herpes simplex type 2 is by topical or oral antiviral medication. Herpes simplex type 2 is also known as human herpes virus 2 (HHV2). Symptom: most of the time herpes does not cause any symptom. When there are signs, they can include blister around the genital or anus. The first outbreak of sores is usually the roast. A person with herpes may have additional outbreak of sores week or month after the first outbreak. Treatment: there is no cure for herpes, but there is treatment that can lessen symptom and decrease the likelihood of passing it on to someone else. Consideration: condom can help reduce the risk of passing herpes from one person to another, but they are not 100% effective. If you have or your partner is having an outbreak of sores, you should abstain until they are fully healed. Genital herpes is a common sexually transmitted disease STD that any sexually active person can get. This disease is very common in the United States. Causal organism: this infection is usually caused by the herpes simplex virus 2 HSV2 or the herpes simplex virus 1 HSV1. The virus usually responsible for cold sores. Spread: genital herpes virus is passed from one person to another through sexual contact. This happens even if the person with the virus does not have symptoms or sign of infection. Fluid found in herpes sore carry the virus, and contact with those fluid can cause infection. Symptoms: most people who have herpes have no or very mild symptoms. In general, genital herpes sore usually appear as one or more blisters on or around the genitals. The blister break and leave painful sores that may take weeks to heal. The blister and sores may be accompanied by flu-like symptoms with fever and swollen lymph nodes. Repeat outbreaks of genital herpes are common, especially during the first year after infection. Repeat outbreaks are usually shorter and less severe than the first outbreak. Although the infection can stay in the body for the rest of one's life, the number of outbreaks tend to decrease over a period of years. Genital herpes is diagnosed with a physical examination and typically confirmed with a swab test or a blood test. Prevention or treatment: there is no cure for genital herpes, but the symptom can be lessened and prevented with treatment. Keep the affected area clean. Avoid intercourse. Let air circulate around the sores by wearing loose fitting clothes. Get plenty of rest. Take painkillers such as aspirin, acetaminophen, or ibuprofen. Prescribe an antiviral drug such as acyclovir. The drug speeds the healing and sometimes reduce the pain of initial genital herpes infection. A topically applied ointment that contains intervir, imuvir, an antiviral substance, is another drug used to treat genital herpes. It provides rapid relief for the pain, itching, and burning associated with genital herpes.